Yo, what's up everybody? So today we're gonna be installing some lights. Check it. These are the lights right here we're gonna be installing. But first things first, we gotta wash the car. Already at the car wash. And it is dirty. So let's get it clean. Alright, we're back at the house. Got the car all cleaned and everything, so now we'll probably get to putting the lights on. So these are all the lights right here. I got these two extra ones. So I'm hoping we're not gonna need any more wires to get it all hooked up. Alright, I got one connected already. Okay, see the lights under there. And I ran the string to the bottom all the way through the tires, but they both have the same connection, so now I gotta go buy some more things so they don't want to connect. I gotta use two of these wires to get it from over there to over here. So I guess I gotta make a quick run to AutoZone real quick. Alright, I just ended up getting another wire. You can see it's pretty long, so I'm gonna have to tie it up. But let's get this thing installed already. Break. Is that full dogging us?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, why did you brake check us?
Aiden.